How to fix Snapchat map. Hello guys, in this new short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat map. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it. After that, go back, open the apps manager, and when you open the apps manager, all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find it, click on it like this, click on force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear cache, and after that all what you want to do next is go to the notifications management, disable all the notifications and then enable them back, and the last thing you want to do is restart your phone. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.